I'm Chef Cory Bahr, and today we're talking fun sides for the holidays. With these sweet potatoes, I like to use the small Louisiana sweet potatoes. They just look better, and you know, if you're doing this for Thanksgiving or Christmas, you know, everybody grabs one. So I'm gonna walk you through how to cut them. And with these Hassleback sweet potatoes, you just find whatever makes them easy. You just let them roll, however they land. Boom, that's perfect. Then we just cut them, start at one end, about 1/8 of an inch, 3/4 of the way through. A thin slicing knife works really nicely for that. There you go, just take your time. And when you get to one end, just turn it around and go the other direction or finish it out. Really simple, that's what you're looking for. Kind of that accordion look. And we'll just take a little bit of olive oil right over the top. And the great thing about these, you can actually bake them ahead of time and then flash them off at a higher temperature and then finish them. So it could be something that you kind of have in your arsenal that's ready to go when your family comes over. We're gonna pop these in a 400-degree oven for about 40 minutes. Then we're gonna put together our sweet and spicy butter. This is really kind of like sugar and spice, if you will. So we have about one stick of softened butter. It's just at room temperature, you can leave it out overnight. We have about a 1/2 cup of brown sugar. Stir that together. Some fresh chives, about a tablespoon of fresh chives, and about a tablespoon of freshly picked thyme. And for our spice part of it, we're gonna add some Tony Chachere's Original. It's got everything you need, salt, pepper, all that. It's the nice spice component, about 1.5 teaspoons. So we just mix this together to make a compound butter. All right, so I'm gonna go grab our potatoes and I'll show you how we finish them. All right, so there's just one more process. We're gonna really get our butter into these potatoes nicely. You really wanna get some butter into these because you want them all nice and sweet and spicy with that hit of thyme. All right, we're gonna pop these back in the oven to caramelize. It'll take about 4 or 5 minutes. 4 or 5 minutes in the oven just to get everything nice and caramelized and melty. And you don't wanna waste any of this delicious compound butter from your pan. We're just gonna spoon that over our sweet potatoes. So if you're looking for something new, this is an easy way to please everybody in the family. There you have it, our sugar and spice Hassleback sweet potatoes.